Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech reviews. Today, we're diving into a remarkable gadget that's making waves in the world of smartwatches, the best smartwatch military. This device is not just another fitness tracker. It's designed for those who live life on the edge and require a watch that can keep up with their adventurous spirit. Let's talk about what sets this military smartwatch apart. First off, it boasts a robust design crafted from a special aluminum alloy, which means it's built to withstand harsh environments. This watch has passed 12 military tests, proving its durability, waterproof capabilities, and dust resistance. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or navigating through a storm, this watch is engineered to handle it all. One of the standout features is its massive battery life. With a remarkable 900 mAh battery, this smartwatch promises over 100 days on standby and around 30 days of active use. Say goodbye to the hassle of daily charging. This watch is ready when you are, making it the perfect companion for long trips or outdoor adventures. Moving on to its features, the smartwatch includes an LED flashlight with a range of 6 to 10 meters, ideal for those nighttime excursions. It also has a built-in compass, which is a fantastic tool for any outdoor enthusiast. The watch comes with two straps, a comfortable silicone strap for everyday use and a nylon strap for those with sensitive skin. This versatility ensures comfort no matter where your adventures take you. Another impressive aspect is the watch's display. The 2.01-inch HD touchscreen is vibrant and responsive, allowing you to navigate through your apps easily. The split-screen feature offers quick access to your most used functions, making it more user-friendly than ever. Plus, you can customize your watch face with personal photos, ensuring your device is as unique as you are. This smartwatch isn't just about looks and durability, it's also highly functional. You can answer and make calls directly from your wrist, thanks to the built-in hi-fi stereo speakers and microphone. With Bluetooth connectivity, it syncs effortlessly with both iOS and Android devices. You'll receive notifications for calls, messages, and even social media alerts, ensuring you're always connected. For fitness enthusiasts, this smartwatch supports over 100 sports modes, tracking everything from running and cycling to yoga and skiing. It monitors your daily activity, including steps taken, distance traveled, and calories burned, all while connecting to your phone's GPS to record your training routes. And for those health-conscious users, it features real-time heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen saturation tracking, and a sleep analysis function. But that's not all. This watch also comes equipped with a variety of smart tools such as music control, weather updates, sedentary reminders, and a stopwatch. With an IP68 waterproof rating, it's suitable for daily wear, although it's important to remember that it's not meant for swimming or diving. In conclusion, the best smartwatch military is not just a timepiece. It's a lifestyle companion that offers exceptional durability, advanced fitness tracking, and seamless connectivity. If you're someone who demands reliability and functionality in an outdoor smartwatch, this device could be your perfect match. So, if you're ready to elevate your adventure game, make sure to check this out. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful reviews. Until next time, keep exploring and stay tech savvy.